Hey guys, welcome back to the video. And I know you can't see me, I'm in my room right now. There I am actually. There I am. And today I haven't made a video with Candy and Cutie in a while. If you don't know who Candy and Cutie are, they're my pet birds and they're cool. So I'm making another video with them. I'm just gonna play with them and see if Candy will come in my hand right now. Candy out. Candy. Candy. Okay, she went down the back. There's also Cutie there. Cutie. Guys, I'm making a video. Come on, Candy. Candy, come on. Fly. Go fly. I don't think I caught that. Fly too fast, Candy. Okay, go fly slower this time. No? Where are you going? Come on. Fly. No, what? You went the wrong way. Fly. Hello. Okay, she flew back. Candy, I can help her. Come on. No. Candy. Guys, I'm back and Candy's on my arm. Help. Candy. I need you to fly. No, where are you going? Well, Candy, catch you. She's going down the front. Come on.
Hi.
Come on. Candy. Are you coming?
Look at this.
Or do you not want to play? Nope.
It's like I'm vlogging.
I'm back, so I went to go eat and read and do homework and all that stuff. But, you know, just boring stuff. But now I finished all of that and I'm with Candy and Cutie and I want to try to prank them. That's right. I'm going to try to prank them. Yeah, Angel's here. And she thinks it's cruel for me to prank them. But I'm going to try. So first, I'm going to get them out of the cage. Because I got them out of the cage, and they're on top of the cage. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to get this cage, I'm going to hide it somewhere, like under a blanket or something. And I want to see how they react, because they've always been next to their cage or known where their cage is.
They always love their cage.
Yeah, they like their cage. And I'm going to try to hide it. I want to see how they react. So, I'm just going to hide them real quick and edit to that. Just put their cage under there. They don't know though. So I just want to see how they react. Guys.
Oh. They make it
Okay, Cutie's there. What? Oops. Candy went over there, almost falling off. Don't fall off.
Candy?
Cutie just flew back there. They're acting really scared right now. They just want to go to their cage, I think. Maybe, I don't know. Candy. Oh, okay. She flew over there with her friend. Guys, it's right there. Right there. It's not that hard. Oh, okay, they're gone. There's Cutie. Oh, okay, they're back. Guys. Hold up, guys. We were just doing that a couple more times, making the fly. Cutie got up on that fan.
And
Got up on that
Candy
blade.
went on my pillow.
Candy made it on the pillow. Don't poop.
Yeah, don't poop.
Candy, just don't poop.
It's my favorite
Go.
pillowcase.
Come on, go with your friend. Up on the fan. Oh.
You mean sibling or call her friends?
Okay, and she's... Okay, there she is. How do we get her down? Turn on the fan.
No, don't turn it up! No, don't!
Oh, okay.
That
Okay.
was so special.
There, she landed. Oh, okay.
That was the
And she landed with her
coolest
friend.
thing that we've ever done to the
Okay.
birds.
Guys, your cage is right here. Here, I'll move it right next to you. It's right there. It's not that far. Just take out the blanket and guys. It's just
Oh, yay.
okay, she's gone.
Okay.
What the?
Where'd you go?
There she is. Behind the tiger. It's technically cat, so it'll eat you. Okay. Back on that thing. Guys, it's right there. It's not that hard. Okay. No, she goes. Oh! Oh! She's on that pole thing we keep her. Whoa. Candy, how about you? What do you do? Huh? Wanna go with your friend? Yep, she went with her friend. Definitely went with her friend. Yeah. There they are. Okay, guys. I think it's time to show them where their cage is. Guys, it was right here. Hold up. Yep, there's the cage. Just put their cage back and open the cage. And just want to see what they're gonna do. If they're just gonna fly back to their cage or something. Guys, you don't have to live on the stick. Your house is back. Kenny, your house is back. Cutie. Here, just with her. This is swallow. Okay. She found it. Candy. Yep, she found it. Okay, it's time to put them back in their cage. They're probably tired. Probably want to eat some food or something. Guys, okay, I'll leave them there. Took out this ladder. So I'll just put it back. Okay, hold on. Come on. Put the ladder in. The ladder. There we go. Ladder's back in. Guys, you go back to your house. I'll just leave you there. And that's about gonna be the end of this video. Again, it's kind of actually it's a pretty nice day outside. Should I go to the trampoline? Oh! Wait, how'd I get here? I just did that. I didn't even snap. How'd you get here? What? How did we get on the trampoline? I just did that. I can't snap, so I just did that. And
You can't snap?
Okay, anyways, I guess it's gonna be the end of this video. See you guys tomorrow's video. As you know, that's every day, bro. It's every day, bro. The daily vlogging. Well, I don't know, but see you later, bye.